A great cajon can turn a simple beat into the heart of a whole song. But with so many styles, sizes, and sound options, picking the right one can feel a bit tricky. In this video, I'll look at the best cajon drums and break down what makes each one stand out. These products come in different price ranges, and each one can fit different needs, so it's worth watching the full video to find the one that fits you best. You'll find the product links in the description. If this video helps, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. So let's take a closer look at the options. Number 6. Weber Cajon Box Drum. Number 6 is a good pick if you want a simple, budget-friendly cajon that still gives you room to shape the sound. It has a compact 10 by 10 by 15 inch body, so it should be easy to move around, carry to practice, or fit into a smaller setup. The front panel is made from birch wood with a body that blends mahogany and poplar. That mix helps give it a balanced tone, with a little extra weight in the low end. The round sound hole is meant to bring out more bass, and the built-in snare wires add that crisp snap on top, so you can get both deeper hits and sharper accents from one box. One nice touch is the adjustable internal string setup. The included hex wrench lets you tighten or loosen the response from the bottom, which is helpful if you want a drier sound or a livelier snare feel. It also comes with a seat cushion, which adds comfort during longer sessions. The smaller size may not feel as full as a larger cajon, but for beginners, casual players, acoustic sets, and easy transport, this one makes a lot of sense. Number 5. Pile Stringed Jam Cajon. Number 5 brings a bigger, more classic box size for players who want a fuller feel without moving into premium pricing. This one lands in the lower mid-range, so it can make sense for someone who wants more than a basic starter cajon, yet still wants good value. The 12 by 12 by 18 inch body gives you more playing surface than smaller travel style options. It uses a birch wood frame with a varnished wooden finish, giving it a clean, traditional look. Inside, 4 adjustable guitar strings sit at 2 points, and they can be tuned from the bottom with the included hex key. That lets you shape the sizzle and snare response instead of being stuck with one fixed sound. For tone, it aims for deep bass hits in the center and sharper snare effects near the upper edges. Rubber-capped feet help cut unwanted vibration, which can keep the sound cleaner during practice, jam sessions, or casual performances. Customer feedback is strong for sound, build, playability, and value. The main thing to keep in mind is that very hard hits may lead to minor chipping for some users. Still, for beginners, kids, adults, and more advanced players, it feels like a smart step up. Number 4. Meinl HCAJ1NT. At number 4, this pick feels like a strong choice for players who want a full-size cajon with more sound control. It sits in the mid-range, so it is aimed at people who want better materials and adjustability without going into premium territory. The body and front plate are made from Baltic birch, and it comes fully assembled, so there is no setup needed before playing. Its size is 11.75 inches wide, 12 inches deep, and 18 inches high, with an 8-pound weight that keeps it portable. 4 silicone feet help with grip and help protect the floor. For sound, the center area gives you deeper bass notes, and the upper corners create crisp snare-style hits. Inside, 2 sets of adjustable microcoiled steel strings let you change the snare response with the included hex key. The front corner screws can change the slap sound too, which gives you more control than a very basic box. There are regular and large sizes, different finish options, and fixed or adjustable string versions. The main drawback is that some buyers find tuning a bit tricky. Still, for acoustic sets, worship groups, studio work, or learning at home, this one offers a lot to grow with. Number 3. Pearl Primero. Number 3 has a more bold look, thanks to its crate-style shape and music-themed graphic finish. It falls in the mid-range, so it is made for players who want a stronger feature set than a starter box, without jumping too high in cost. The faceplate is made from Meranti wood, which is known for a hard feel and straight grain. The body uses MDF, and the whole design is about 19.25 inches tall, 11.75 inches wide, and 11.75 inches deep. That gives it a full playing position, with enough size for seated comfort and a bigger sound. The rear-facing bass port is a key part of the design. At 4.5 inches, it helps push out a deeper low-end tone, so center hits should feel bigger and more rounded. For the snare side, 2 fixed curly snare wire sets add a bright, crisp response near the upper playing area. There are several style choices in the wider series, including graphic, hand-painted, and woodlook versions. The fixed snares mean less tone shaping than adjustable models, but for acoustic gigs, beginners, and players who want strong bass with a clear snap, this is an easy one to recommend. Number 2. Schlagwerk CP404BLK. Number 2 moves into premium territory, and it feels aimed at players who care about detail, feel, and cleaner sound separation. It is a larger 12x12 by 20-inch Cajon, so it gives you a taller seat height and a bigger box for deeper bass response. The front plate is black Baltic birch with an 8-ply birch body and beveled edges for a smoother hand feel. Inside, the 40 snare setup uses a 2-in-1 design, where the snare section presses against the playing surface at a set angle. That helps create clear snare tones at the top, with deep bass hits staying more separate in the center. A cool part here is the removable snare setup. You can switch the snare effect off in one quick move, giving the box more of a Cuban conga-style sound. The trade-off is that the snare tension itself is not adjustable, so tone shaping is more about removing the snare or changing your hand technique. It comes in black, dark oak, natural, red, and barista finishes, with medium, large, and soft touch versions. A carry case is not included, but for live sets, worship, rock, blues, or pop, this one feels like a serious step up. Number 1. Meinl SCP-100WN. At number 1, this is the premium pick for players who want a more refined Cajon with strong tone control. It is the highest-end option in this lineup, and that makes sense if you want better materials, a full-size feel, and a snare system you can adjust during a set. The body uses 9-ply Baltic birch paired with a walnut front plate. That mix is meant to give a warm wood tone, crisp slap sounds, and a punchy low-end thud. The rounded top corners are a nice comfort feature too, since they give your hands a smoother contact point during longer playing sessions. The biggest feature is the side dial for the snare wires. You can turn the snares on for a sharper response, turn them off for a more hollow conga or bongo-style sound, or choose a spot between the two. That gives you more control than fixed snare designs, though some buyers say the dial does not feel as detailed as they hoped. It comes in walnut and American white ash versions, with knob or pedal throw-off styles in the series. For studio work, worship sets, acoustic shows, or serious practice, this is the most complete option here. That brings us to the end of this guide to the best Cajon drums. I hope it helped make your choice a little easier, whether you need something simple for practice or something more advanced for gigs and recording. Be sure to check out more videos on the channel for more guides like this. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.